Hi, are you in charge of customer service? Don't tell me you're not. Don't lie to me. It's no use. I saw the signage on the way in. It had a big CS under it. What else could that stand for? Cancer? Shellfish? Well, I doubt it's that though. And honestly, I don't care at this point. You people have been treating me like shit, and I refuse to take one more moment of it. I walked in, asked the secretary, lovely girl by the way, who I should talk to. She mistakenly directed me to HR. The woman I spoke to at HR told me that this was a job for Joe in CS. So I walked all the way up to the third floor to look for him and rolled my ankle. So thanks for that, all in search of this mysterious Joe who works on the third floor. Guess who doesn't work on the third floor? Fucking Joe. So I went back down to HR to look for her. The lady I spoke to said sorry and laughed as if she didn't just waste 15 minutes of my time. I should burn her house down. Nah, I'm a reasonable guy. Mistakes happen, especially if you're an idiot. It's not her fault she's dumb. Getting back on track, as I am sure you know, Joe actually works on the second floor, but not in customer service. No, 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 no. Joe transferred into logistics. Now, you hold the position that Joe previously held. Congratulations. And where do you work? The third floor. You people have wasted 92 minutes of my time. So, I am going to sit down in this chair. I am going to tell you about my day and how you people worsened it. And finally, you're going to help me out. You mind if I smoke in here? Fuck it, I don't care. That's disgusting. I've never smoked before. Figured I might as well try it. People enjoy that. Well, it tastes better than bird shit, I'll say. That's how my day started. I walked out the front door, looked into the sky when I spotted a bald eagle, mouth agape in wonder. And then I caught a face full of bird shit. Should have known then. Called into work pretending I was having car trouble. Now, I definitely could have gotten off work for my appointment. My bosses aren't hard asses or anything. But I'd forgotten to ask beforehand. Sometimes it's easier to lie. I don't remember what my doctor said at the appointment. I tend to tune out bad news. And when your doctor takes you into his private office, you know that's going to be bad news. I should clarify that I don't remember most of what he said during the appointment. Inoperable and a year at most were phrases that jumped out at me. He seemed so composed talking about the whole thing. Perfect posture. Probably made his mother proud sitting at the dinner table growing up. He did stammer a little bit, but it felt rehearsed. He was trying to make me feel special, as if my imminent demise was more important to him than the dozen or so other terminal patients under his charge. I wanted to throttle him around the neck. And I'd figured it out too. We were only on the second floor. I could murder him, slip through the window and into the bushes, and no one would be any the wiser. Even if I did get caught, it's not like I would spend a lot of time behind bars. Plus, who would miss a prick like that? I didn't, for the record. So, you can unclench your butthole. No, my doctor is probably somewhere out on the links as we speak. It's important for him to unwind given how hard his fucking life is. Funny when you think about it. And I do think about it, that is. I think about a lot of things. I can't stop thinking. My dad died of cancer. Bad pancreas, I guess. I had to watch him die as a kid. He was in so much pain by the end. And I don't know if I can bear it when it comes to that point. You know that joke about how none of us want to end up like our parents, but we all. Yeah. I've been thinking about killing myself for the past 1 hour. Wondering if it was a viable option. I could get it all over with. Bam! Done. And what would that do to my wife? So I can't force her to deal with all of this shit. Plus, her parents are Catholics, so she'd never hear the end of it if I, you know. She called me after the appointment. Wanted to make sure that everything was all right. And I told her, I have a clean bill of health. Sometimes it's easier to lie. And the funniest thing is, I can't go home. I can't bring myself to do it. I texted her. I said, I'm going to watch a movie. Then I just walked around the hospital for a few hours, going in circles. I caught a glimpse of an eagle out of the window. Who in the day? What are the odds? I wonder if it was the same one that shit on me. I love birds. My dad used to take me out bird watching with him. And even when things got bad, we kept it up. The last time we did it, he woke me up at 5 in the morning so we could walk 5 miles up the top of a hill to spot a peregrine falcon. That hill was where he passed. I haven't been bird watching since. I was hoping maybe I could get back into it when I got older, but fuck that, I guess. So, after a few rounds around the hospital, I started feeling hungry. So and that's when I came across one of your machines, O'Hare Vending, LLC. I guess what I'm trying to say is, can I get my $1.75 back?